In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create portfolio website using Google Sites. We'll keep it simple, clear, and professional so you can showcase your work with confidence. First, open sites.google.com in your browser. On the dashboard, you can start from plus blank to design everything yourself, or choose the portfolio template for a quick starting point. The template includes common sections you'll likely need, while the blank option gives you total control over the layout. Don't worry, whichever you pick, you can change text, images, and sections as you go. Next, set the foundation with your site name and portfolio title. The site name at the top is what you'll see in your Google Drive and browser tabs, so keep it descriptive. In the header area, add your portfolio title, usually your name and professional role. If you have a logo, upload it to the header to establish your brand. Keep the title short, readable, and consistent with your personal style, and make sure the header image, if you use one, doesn't compete with the text. Now build your structure using the Pages tab. Click Pages, then add pages like About Me, Projects, Resume, and Contact. Clear page names make your navigation easy to scan. You can drag pages to reorder them. The menu updates automatically. On About Me, share a brief summary that highlights your expertise and what you're passionate about. On Projects, plan one section for each featured project so visitors can scan and dive deeper as needed. On Resume, decide whether to include key highlights directly on the page or simply provide access to a full document. On Contact, invite people to reach out and include links to your professional profiles or portfolio hubs. With your pages set, use the Insert panel to bring everything to life. Add text boxes to write concise project descriptions, describe the problem, your role, the tools you used, and the outcome. Insert images or short videos to show your work in action, and opt for clear, high-quality visuals that load quickly. You can embed documents like a PDF resume or a slide deck from your Drive, and add links to live demos or code repositories where relevant. Keep file names descriptive so your content stays organized. As you arrange elements, maintain consistent headings, spacing, and captions to create a polished, cohesive look. Check that visuals support your story, that links are easy to spot, and that each page feels focused. That's it. You've created a clean professional portfolio on Google Sites using a solid structure and rich content that highlights your best work.